Okay, this is from Great Grayan. You show Riley too, okay?
Looky.
Oh, it's a book! Brownie Scouts. Who's that a picture of? It is Great Grayan.
Off the book.
Do you know whose book this used to be?
No.
Grandmother's. It says, this little golden book belongs to Jan Newitt. How cool! Did you know that used to be Grandmother's?
Yeah, but look.
Oh, right, look, how cute!
And my matching for me.
Let's see. Let's see. Hi, Rai. Hi. Oh, Haley, that is gorgeous. Oh, that'll be perfect for a hot day. What do you say to Great Grayan?
Thank you, Great Grand Cheeseburgers.
And look at this article from the newspaper. Oh, we'll have to read this. This is about Great Grayan. Hey, girls, say bye, Great Grayan.